y'all, welcome back to another video. So today I got the long awaited apartment tour. I've been in this place since January 2nd. This is my first apartment. Been told y'all I was giving y'all an apartment tour, but I wanted to get everything together. And finally I have mostly everything together. Still some stuff I need to do and get, but for the most part, it's whatever. So if this is your first time to my channel, my name's Danique, and I'll give you a second to subscribe to me. Hurry, we turn up on this channel. I have more great content like this. So let's get into it. I'm gonna turn the camera around. This is my spare room. Those are my mannequin heads. Real ghetto right now. This room is by no means done. This is like, it's a mess. So my vanities in here, so my makeup and stuff, hair products. I have my ring lights over there as well. I need to move I don't know why I have those right there, but whatever, I'll do it later. But my ring lights and everything are over there. So I do my filming in this room. So pretty much it's empty. I do have a closet in here. I'm not going to show y'all because it's really messy right now. But it's empty in this room for the most part. Like I said, this is probably like the last room I'm going to get together because right now I'm just using it for filming. And when I'm done getting it ready, I'm probably still going to use it for filming. But it is some decorating I'm going to do in here. I'm thinking about putting a futon in here for like if my friends come and stay too, but we'll see. Really don't have any ideas on this room, so let me know if y'all have any ideas because I don't know what to do in here. I don't know. It's a decent size room for filming though, so yeah. But like I said, there's a closet, but I'm not gonna show y'all. It's messy. Let's go see my bedroom. Okay, so this is my bedroom. Really small. The rooms in this house are really tiny. My headboard I actually got from Amazon. It was only like $100, and the flowers above my bed, it matches my bed set, so nice. But the flowers are from Hobby Lobby, and the bed set is from Ollie's. So yeah, that's that. And then only other thing I have in here is a TV. Like I said, it's really tiny, so can't really fit much in here. Luckily I have two closets, so I do have a closet in here. Hello. So yeah, I have a closet in here, and I also have another closet, so luckily all my clothes fit. Because I really didn't have enough room for like dressers and stuff because it is really small in these rooms. So you know, we got two closets, so we okay. So just real quick, the bathroom, nothing to it. Bye. So this is the kitchen. All the appliances actually came with the apartment, so that's really nice. These placemats are so cute. My charger all in the way. I got these from Target, and then I love my fork and spoon on the wall. I got those from Hobby Lobby. But y'all, I love the flow of this apartment. Like, so this is the kitchen, and then it gets just go straight back to the rooms, like, and then I'll show y'all that in a second, but that's the living room. Like, it just flows together so nicely. But yeah, that's the kitchen. Now we're gonna go to the living room. Okay, so this is a living room. If you follow me on my Instagram, I already showed everyone this, and I got so many compliments on how nice it's decorated, and I'm not even done yet. But that's the TV and the stand. I got this stand from Walmart online. My furniture, like the two couches I got from Big Lots, really cute. Then I have these two ottomans that I was actually going to use as like ottomans to put in front of the couches, but they were so smaller than I thought, so I just kind of used them, like placed them as chairs basically, and they're really sturdy, so people can actually sit on them as chairs. I got those from Walmart online too. Look at this carpet, it's so cute. The rug, not the carpet, but it matches my pillows. I got the carpet, the rug, and those pillows. They're pillow covers, not actual pillows, but I got those both from Amazon. The coffee table is from Wayfair, and then look how cute. Look how cute. I have a bar cart and this above it. Oh, bar carts from Walmart, but they do have it on Amazon, I think, for a little bit cheaper. So yeah. Then this is like a cocktail list. It gives you recipes and ingredients on how to make different cocktails. I got this from Amazon. It's about $25, but look at that. I thought that was the cutest thing I ever did see. And it goes, oh, okay, here it goes. My phone. But it goes perfectly with my little bar cart. I thought that was so cute. Honestly, there's still some stuff I need to do. Like this wall behind the TV is really bare. I don't know what I'm doing yet, but I do need something else up there so it doesn't look like that. Oh, and that door right there that goes to my basement, I don't use it. I do have a washer and dryer down there that also came with the apartment, but I'm not using it. I don't do basements. It's a nice basement though. It's really nice for storage and stuff, but I don't have a lot of shit because like I said, this is my first apartment. But whatever. So I know this was a short video, but the apartment is not that big. It's, you know, just for me. My first apartment. I love it. Like I said, I love the flow of it. It's literally perfect. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Everything's mostly done in here. Still need to get a few things, and yeah, I love it though. Y'all, I'm really, you know, I'm still excited that I live by myself. It is a change, but wouldn't change it for the world, you know. I like having my own shit. Let me stop saying that. I'm trying to think of what else, but I think that's it, honestly. I know it was short, but you know, the apartment's not, it's just not that big. It's a really small place. Yeah, it's just small, but obviously like, yeah. But let me know if y'all have any ideas for that spare room. Like, I don't know what to do in there. I was thinking about getting like a backdrop for when I take pictures and just have that in there, but I also want a futon for my friends stay over so they have a place to stay, you know, just have a spare room. Like, I don't know what y'all think, because I don't think there's enough room for both of those things. Like, it's either the backdrop or, but if I get a backdrop I can move it. Like, I don't know what y'all think I should do in that spare room. Let me know, because I'm confizzled. I don't know. All right, well, I guess that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I'll see you next video. Peace.